Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so glad to have you here. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, support this channel. We are on our road to 1,000 subscribers. Please support us. Share our videos with your friends, your family, your colleagues, and also everyone that you meet. So guys, today we are going to make viazi karai, and my ingredients are potatoes. I've already boiled them. We'll just cut them into pieces. I have chilies. I have turmeric. I have egg yellow color. I have my flour, wheat flour, and then I have coriander. So now we are going to cut the potatoes into pieces first. That's what we are going to do first. Then we continue. So I take this potato, cut it like that, another half like that. So that's how I'll cut it. Then another one. Yeah, the reason why I boiled the potatoes is that when I'm adding my flour and then frying them, it won't take a lot of time to cook. So I'll be saving some gas on this. And also it is a very simple recipe. Very simple recipe, very quick to do with the ingredients that we have in the house. We don't have to spend a lot of money preparing this viazi karai. I will also add garlic on my flour when I'm mixing the flour. Sorry, I didn't tell you that. I'll take my chilies. One tablespoon is enough. For the chilies, I will add a tablespoon of vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can add lemon juice. So this is what I'll be adding on this chili to make a paste. I know many are asking why I am adding, where I am using this chili paste. I will show you in a few minutes. So this chili paste, I will take my potato, cut like this, then scoop a little bit of the chili like this, and then I add it here. You see? Like that. So this chili will be like, it will have some flavor, and also for the lovers of chili, it's also good. But I will leave some for the babies If you have babies, you skip this process. If you don't like chili, you skip this process also. So we'll continue with this process and then I'll be back. So guys, this is how the potatoes are looking. Then I've left some for the baby. So let's now prepare the flour. Take a bowl. I'll add 4 tablespoons, but they are so full, so don't worry. Yeah, like that. Let me add 1 more. Yes. Then I'll take a pinch of salt. Not a pinch of salt. Some salt. I think that is enough. Mix it well. This. Then add my turmeric, ½ teaspoon. Yes. I'll add the egg yellow color, little bit of it, like this. You see? Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm adding. Mix again. Take my garlic. Remember I told you that I'll add some garlic on the flour. Garlic, that's two cloves of garlic. Mix again. Take some water. Mix the flour. Keep on adding. Making a thick paste. Not a hard paste. This is hard. Add some more water. Make sure that the paste is very smooth. Add some more water. I hope you're seeing me. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Share my videos with your friends, with your family, with your colleagues. Leave make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment and tell me how you prepare your paste and also how you prepare your viazi karai. This recipe might be different from what you use, so let me know. on the comment section. So the paste is almost ready. I don't want it to be a little bit to be thick, so I'll add some more water. Then I will add my coriander. Then mix. So this is the right texture. This is the right texture. So now we are going to fry. You see how the texture is? This is how it is. The right texture. It's not so light, and it's not so heavy. Now that we have finished making the paste, I will start with the potatoes that I have not put the chili. Then you can test if the oil is ready. Yeah, the oil is ready, as you can see. So you put your potato on the paste, shake off excess, then heat it. One by one is the best. One by one is the best. Watch out you don't get burnt. So you leave it for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then you turn. So now you turn. Make sure you separate also, because sometimes they stick together. So you see how it comes out? Yay! I'm so happy they came out so well. You give it like 2 minutes again on the other side, then you're good to go. So our first bunch is ready. See? Beautiful. I'm so happy. Set it aside, and then you add the next bunch. So the next bunch is the one with the chilies. You do this like that, shake off excess, put it, you dip it there, not put it. Pardon my English. So basically it's the same process. It's the same process. Same process. Use the spoon to separate them. So that they won't stick together. So for this bunch, this is enough. We give it 2 minutes, we turn again, then it'll be ready.